I'm going to show you today how to use the citation feature in Google Docs. It's really pretty simple. It makes it a lot easier for you. So let's say that I'm writing a paper. I need to do my citations. So I click on Tools, then I go down to Citations, and then I choose what citation style I want. APA is the most common at the college level, so I'm going to add the source, and then I choose what do I want it from. Now, sometimes it's very handy. Website, if I'm doing, say, a news article, then I might pick, oh, interesting. I might pick the URL, and then I could just paste it in. And it finds a lot of the information. Now, it's not perfect. I still have to make sure and find, okay, wait a minute. You know, is this actually by Shelby Lofton? Yes, it is. Is it whatever? It's title good? So I still have to check it, but for the most part, it creates it and sets it all up for me. Now, if I'm using something like JSTOR, a lot of the times I need to just cite it manually. So again, I hit Add Source. I'm going to do a journal article, and I choose an online database, like, again, JSTOR. I'm going to say that this is by, John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. Oops, wrong. Last name goes there. John J. Schmidt. And I can add another contributor. If there's more than one author, I can add them all. It turns out that his name is my name too, so here's that as well. Add the title. His name is my name too. The journal title is the journal that this is housed in, the Journal of Northern Kentucky History. Often there's a volume. Sometimes it just says V10 or V whatever. So volume 10, issue 2, page 45 through 67. Let's say it was published in the summer of 1967. Summer. Short title is handy. If it uses it more than twice, it'll use the short title. So I could just say his name, because that would be enough for my user to see it. The database is going to be JSTOR, because that's where I pretended I got it from. And then there's a DOI and a URL that I can add. The asterisk just means that it's usually something that should be there. But if it's not there, just try to find it. If you can't, then skip it. Now, when I'm making my citations, when I'm actually typing my stuff, I'm using a source for this information. You only cite things that you got from somewhere else. It goes before the period in most styles, and you just click Cite. And it automatically adds it, formats it correctly, and makes it beautiful for you. Now, when you're done, hold Control, hit Enter, and click this Insert References over here. And it adds the references, and they're already formatted the way they need to be. So there you go, citations in Google Docs.